Good morning, y'all. It's Labriska from My Eclectic Treasures. This morning I made a fall pillow using placemats. I got these placemats from the Dollar General for $2 a piece. I placed wrong sides together and I glued my seams using hot glue, only 3 sides, because you want to leave the 4th side open so you can put your pillow stuffing in. I used a travel pillow from Walmart for this, but you can also use stuffing from an old pillow or just stuffing from a bag. Once you are finished stuffing your pillow, you're going to secure that last side with your glue, and you can add some twine to the edging of this to give it a more rustic finished look. I did not do that on my project, but you can decorate your pillow however you like. Once you are finished gluing your pillow, you can add this to your fall decor and enjoy this all fall season long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.